Okay, kids, what would make your mother very angry on this day, which is Mother's Day, is when you tamper with the school fire alarms. This is not a good thing to do. This shows disrespect because you know that pulling and tampering with fire alarms at school is the wrong thing to do. So don't do it. You can get in big trouble if you tamper with the school alarm. So don't do it. Be smart. Don't be stupid. Do not tamper with the school fire alarms at all. Because these are not toys. These are life safety devices. So do not mess with these things. Please don't tamper with these things at school. Bye.